guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix speech services by Google download notification on your Android device. So as you can see guys, in my screen same notification I also facing. So the notification was not clearing, not disabling. So how to fix this issue? In this video we will learn these guys. So for this guys, you can follow two easy and very simple methods. So first method is this guys, you need to open your Google app on your phone. Okay, after opening, in the top right side corner you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it. From here you need to open the settings. In the settings, go to voice, and here you can get the option offline speech recognitions. Just tap on it and go to auto update option. From here guys, you can interchange the option. So by default the option was set to do not auto update languages. So now I am selecting this option, second option, auto update languages at any time. So after selecting this option guys, close the Google app. Now let's see it will clear your notification or not. In case still your notification was not clearing, you can follow another method. Open your phone settings, go to apps and notification like this, and go to all apps. Okay, and here guys, scroll down and find out speech services by Google. Just open it, go to storage, clear the caches, go back. Now you need to force stop this app. Just tap on it, it will force stop your app. After this guys, now this time it will clear your notification 100%. So these are the two easy and very simple method to fix that notification. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.